is she doing?
Testing my patience. Please, get to the point.
You mean, what do I want? Everything. Just my size. Shame about Rocco, though. He was next in line. You needed him.
A minor inconvenience.
Dom Monscone and 3 of his minions inconveniently found dead. I have a suspect, though. Real good-looking guy. I think he's Italian. But I'm willing to turn a blind eye. 30%.
How did you arrive at that figure?
I plucked it from the trees.
I suggest something closer to the ground.
He'll go down for life, probably. Oh, does that upset little baby?
I suggest you exercise caution.
I suggest you realize who you're talking to. I'm the law of the land. God, I never liked you. You're such a fucking cunt.
There. Much closer to the ground.
You'll be my project. My crowning achievement. We'll stand together. Flawless. And perfect. Moscones and Bonettis will be eating out of our hands. We will determine the course of the family. Of all families. Do you love Joe?
I don't think he's loyal.
He was sleeping with Detective Taylor. I, on the other hand, hold loyalty in the highest regard. And I don't sleep with detectives. Once Joe's done with the Moscones, that's when the real housekeeping begins. And then you can have your vengeance.